Imagine this. You're rushing through your morning routine in a cramped apartment, the kids yelling for breakfast, and all you want is a glass of water that's actually safe to drink. But your tap spits out that suspicious, chlorine-tinged sludge that tastes like it bubbled up from a forgotten pipe. Or picture yourself parked in an RV at a dusty campsite, miles from civilization, staring at a jug of questionable well water. What if there was a way to flip a switch and get restaurant-grade purified water in seconds without drilling holes in your walls or wrestling with plumber's tape? Enter this Waken electric C11S reverse osmosis water filtration system, the countertop wizard that's revolutionizing how we hydrate on the go. This isn't just another gadget. It's your ticket to worry-free, crystal-clear H2O that tastes like it was bottled from a mountain spring. And with its no-installation design, it's tailor-made for the modern nomad or urban dweller who's allergic to hassle. Let's cut to the chase. In a world drowning in plastic bottles and bottled water scams, did you know the average person chugs through 167 of those suckers a year? The Waken C11S stands out as the most efficient reverse osmosis water filtration system on the market. Clocking in at a stellar 4:1 pure-to-drain ratio, it squeezes every drop of goodness from your tap water while minimizing waste, way better than the thirsty 1:3 ratios of old-school RO setups. That means less guilt over your environmental footprint and more savings on your water bill. But efficiency is just the appetizer. This beast boasts an 8-stage filtration system that's like a gauntlet for contaminants. Heavy metals, bacteria, pesticides, and even those sneaky microplastics get obliterated. Topped off with UV lighting for that extra germ-zapping punch, and premium Sri Lankan coconut shell activated carbon that absorbs impurities like a sponge on steroids, you're left with water so pure its TDS, total dissolved solids, hovers in the single digits. SGS tested and certified to NSF/ANSI 58, 372, and EPA 200 regs plus FCC approval. This isn't hype, it's lab-proven peace of mind. What hooked me first was the sheer convenience. No installation. Sign me up. I unboxed mine on a whim during a move. Renters, you feel me? Plugged it into a standard outlet, filled the 180-ounce tank with tap water, and boom! Purified bliss in under 14 seconds per cup. The rapid dispense rate hits 418 gallons per day, so whether you're fueling a family of 4 or just yourself after a sweaty gym sesh, there's zero lag. It's countertop-friendly, compact enough for tight condo kitchens or RV counters, and portable for tailgates or office desks. Forget the nightmare of undersink plumbing or annual filter swaps that require a DIY PhD. This plug-and-play reverse osmosis countertop water purifier handles it all with grace. Now, let's geek out on the smart features that make it feel like sci-fi in your kitchen. The digital display is a total showstopper. Real-time TDS detection flashes your water's purity score like a fitness tracker for hydration. Filter life monitoring. Each of the 3 core filters gets its own progress bar, think battery icons, but for clean water, so you know exactly when to swap them out. No guesswork, no surprises. And that wasted water reminder? Genius. It pings you when the drain tank's full, dodging overflows and secondary contamination that could gum up your system. In my week-long test run, it caught a near miss on filter 2, saving me from a subpar sip. These touches aren't fluff. They're what elevate the Waken electric C11S from good to essential in the crowded world of home water filtration systems. Diving deeper into the tech, that 8-stage RO filter is a masterpiece of engineering. Stage 1. Pre-sediment filter traps the big chunks like rust and sand. Then, granular activated carbon and the star coconut shell variant scrub out chlorine, odors, and VOCs for that fresh, neutral taste. The heart, the RO membrane, reverse osmosis at its finest, shoving out dissolved salts, lead, arsenic, and fluoride with surgical precision. Post-RO, alkaline remineralization adds back trace minerals for a pH-balanced zing that doesn't taste flat. UV stage for ensures zero bacteria or viruses sneak through, and a final polish stage caps it off. It's not just filtering. It's transforming your water into something premium bottled brands wish they could match. But does it deliver on health perks? Absolutely. Tap water's hidden villains? Think PFAS, forever chemicals, or E. coli from aging pipes vanish, reducing risks of everything from digestive woes to long-term toxin buildup. I noticed clearer skin after a month, Coincidence? Maybe, but I'll take it. And my coffee? Transcendent. No more bitter aftertaste ruining my brew. For families, it's a no-brainer. Kids guzzling contaminant-free water means fewer tummy bugs and better overall wellness. And for eco-warriors, that 4-to-1 ratio translates to 75% less wastewater than competitors, aligning with sustainable living trends without skimping on quality. Of course, no product's perfect. The 180-ounce tank means occasional refills if you're a mega hydrator, though the flow rate makes it painless. And at around 15 pounds, it's sturdy but not featherlight for super frequent moves. Filter replacements run 10 to 20 cents per gallon, pricier than basic pitchers but a steal compared to bottled, where you're paying $1 plus per liter for marketing fluff. Pro tip: set calendar reminders for those filter swaps to keep efficiency humming. Key features that'll make you say, "Shut up and take my money." No install nirvana. Plug-in simplicity for apartments, condos, RVs, or homes. Zero tools, zero leaks, total freedom. Massive capacity and speed. 180-ounce tank plus 418 GPD flow equals endless purified water, dispensed in 14 seconds flat. Efficiency edge. 4-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio with recycling tech wastes less, costs less, and greens your routine. Smart monitoring magic. TDS tracker, per filter life bars, and waste alerts ensure peak performance 24/7. UV-powered 8-stage purity. Coconut carbon plus RO membrane plus UV light equals 99.99% contaminant knockout. SGS-certified safe. Top benefits for your daily grind. Health upgrade. Banish toxins for better digestion, hydration, and vitality. Your body will thank you with every sip. Time saver supreme. Instant access means no boiling, no lugging jugs. Reclaim minutes for what matters. Cost crusher. Ditch $1,000 plus yearly bottled. Habits. This RO system pays for itself in under a year. Eco-friendly flex. Cut plastic waste and water overuse. Hydrate guilt-free in a thirsty world. Versatile vibes. From urban kitchens to off-grid adventures, it's the ultimate portable water purifier companion. Who's this countertop RO water filtration system screaming for? Ideal for busy millennials in rentals who hate commitments. No install drama. Health nuts prioritizing clean water filtration without the fuss. RV road trippers dodging sketchy hookups. Or eco-parents in condos teaching sustainability by example. If you're over clunky undersink units or weak pitcher filters that barely scratch the surface, the Waken C11S is your upgrade. Look, I've tested pitchers that fizzle out after a week, undersink beasts that require a contractor's ransom, and portable filters that taste like regret. The Waken Electric C11S is the sweet spot, powerful, user-friendly, and downright addictive. After integrating it into my routine, I haven't touched a store-bought bottle since. Your water shouldn't be a gamble. It should be a ritual. Ready to level up your hydration game and kiss contaminants goodbye? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and snag yours today. Pure water paradise awaits. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.